I'm fine. What's up with you?
Man, I'm chilling.
Shit, chilling. That's what I'm doing. Man.
When we gonna do Walking Dead again?
Oh man. You get contacts so you can see better.
Oh, I can see good. If we can get our girl to act right in the video, we'll be perfect.
Seems like a personal problem.
I know she's always like talking, but she doesn't talk about current points of the videos.
Well, that's because you gotta get her interested.
She is interested. She talks, she laughs, but then she gets all bored.
Yeah, I ask all these questions like, oh, what's that, Haley? What do you think?
She doesn't.
Just stop talking about like the black people and how they be tripping.
What's wrong with that? They always be tripping. We always talk about the P2, and she's like, "Oh my god, I'm gonna kill them."
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Good.